Hello and welcome to Learn Statistics class. In this class, we are going to learn the statistical concept in simple and more easy way. The topic of today's lecture is F distribution. In this topic, we will discuss mode of F distribution. Suppose X follow F distribution with degrees of freedom n1 and n2, then mode is the solution of the equation. We know that we have already learned what is mode. Mode is the value of x for which the PDF has maximum value, means it is the solution of the equation f dash x, that is the first derivative of PDF equal to 0, and f double dash x, second derivative of PDF at x equal to mode is negative. This is the solution of equation f dash x equal to 0 and f double dash x less than 0 is the value of mode. So we shall start with the PDF of F distribution. We know that f of x is equal to n1 by n2 raised to n1 upon 2 divided by beta n1 by 2 n2 by 2 into x raised to n1 upon 2 minus 1 divided by 1 plus n1 upon n2 x raised to n1 plus n2 divided by 2. This is the PDF of F distribution. Now we will take logarithm on both sides in order to simplify the form of PDF. Therefore, log of fx is equal to c plus n1 upon 2 minus 1 log x minus n1 plus n2 divided by 2 into log 1 plus n1 by n2 x, where c is constant and it is equal to log of n1 by n2 raised to n1 upon 2 divided by beta n1 upon 2 comma n2 upon 2. Now take logarithm on both sides. We get 1 upon fx into f dash x. Since log of fx has PDF 1 by fx and f of x PDF is f dash x, which is equal to 0. Derivative of c is 0 plus n1 by 2 minus 1 into 1 upon x. Derivative of log x is 1 upon x minus n1 plus n2 divided by 2 into 1 upon 1 plus n1 upon n2 x multiplied by derivative of this bracket. Since this is a composite function, so it is 0 plus n1 by n2, which is equal to n1 upon 2 minus 1 upon x minus n1 upon n2 into n1 plus n2 divided by 2 1 by 1 plus n1 by n2 x. Now f dash x equal to f of x into bracket n1 upon 2 minus 1 upon x minus n1 into n1 plus n2 divided by twice n2 into 1 divided by 1 plus n1 upon n2 x. Let me call it as equation number 1. Now differentiate equation 1 again. Equation 1 again with respect to x. We get. Now before differentiating equation 1, let me equate f dash x equal to 0. This will imply we will differentiate equation 1 later on. Then this is equal to f of x into n1 by 2 minus 1 upon x minus n1 plus n2 divided by twice n2 1 upon 1 plus n1 by n2 x is equal to 0. Since fx is a PDF which cannot be 0, hence this bracket must be 0. Therefore n1 by 2 minus 1 upon x minus n1 plus n2 divided by 2n2 1 upon 1 plus n1 upon n2 x, this is equal to 0. Hence this will imply, I will simplify this bracket, n1 minus 2 divided by 2 into 1 upon x minus n1 plus n2 divided by twice n2 1 upon, this is equal to, I am taking this negative term to the right side, 1 plus n1 upon n2 x. Now rearrange the term like 1 plus n1 by n2 x divided by x. I am collecting the terms containing x to the left side and constant terms on the right side. Here n1 plus n2 upon twice n2, this divided by n1 minus 2 upon 2. This 2 get cancelled and this is equal to n1 plus n2 divided by n2 into n1 minus 2. Now we will simplify the left side, divide x separately, so it is 1 upon x plus n1 upon n2. Hence 1 upon x is equal to n1 plus n2 divided by n2 multiplied by n1 minus 2 minus n1 upon n2. Now I will take n1 by n2 common and then I will simplify the brackets. So it is n1 plus n2 divided by n1 minus 2 minus 1. Now let us take the LCM. So it is, after taking the LCM, this n1 get cancelled. So we are left with n1 into n2 plus 2 divided by n2 into n1 minus 2. This is 1 upon x. Hence, x equal to n2 into n1 minus 2 divided by n1 into n2 plus 2. This is the value of x after equating the first derivative of PDF is equal to 0. Now I will differentiate equation number 1 again with respect to x in order to check the condition second. Take the differentiation, we get f double dash x is equal to fx into differentiation of the bracket. Equation 1 is in the form of u into v function. So we will use the formula of differentiation of product of two function u into v. So we will differentiate inside the bracket. First n1 by 2 minus 1 by x square minus n1 plus n2 divided by 2n2 into, this is minus 1 by 1 plus n1 n2 x whole square into the derivative of 1 plus n1 by n2 x. So it is n1 upon n2. This is bracket, this bracket complete. Plus next is derivative of fx, which is f dash x, and the bracket is as it is. n1 plus n2 divided by twice n2. This derivation is something more lengthy, but if you solve the steps carefully, it will be very easy to do the differentiation. I will substitute in the next step the value of f dash x from equation number 1. So what will happen? Let me write f double dash x is equal to fx into minus, I will solve this bracket also at a time, n1 minus 2 by 2 x square minus, this minus and minus, it is plus, is equal, this is n1 square into n1 plus n2 by 2 n2 square in multiplied by 1 upon 1 plus n1 by n2 x whole square. This is our first term. Plus the second term is f of x multiplied by n1 upon 2 minus 1 upon x minus n1 plus n2 divided by twice n2 into 1 upon 1 plus n1 upon n2 x, this whole square. From, this is from equation 1. I have substituted the value of f dash x from the equation number 1. Now in the next step, I shall substitute the value of x which we have obtained by equating the first derivative of PDF is equal to 0, and we will simplify. Now we will substitute the value of x. I have keep equation f double dash x second derivative as it is below the page in order to understand how we substitute the value of x. So this is the first f of n2 n1 minus 2 divided by n1 n2 plus 2. Let me take this f outside the bracket. So inside the bracket, the first bracket is minus n1 minus 2 by 2 into x square, means it is n2 square n1 minus 2 square upon n1 square n2 plus 2 whole square, this term. Now I will write this term plus constants are as it is, n1 square n1 plus n2 by twice n2 square into, let me write here, equation is more lengthy but we will solve it very carefully and easily. Substitute the value of x, it is n2 n1 minus 2 by n1 n2 plus 2 of whole square. This is our first term. Now I will write the second term as, let me simplify this bracket as n1 minus 2 by 2 into 1 upon x, means I will reciprocal the value of x, n2 n1 minus 2. Now let me write the second term, n1 into n1 plus n2 divided by twice n2 into 1 upon 1 plus n1 by n2 into x. X is what? n2 n1 minus 2 divided by n1 n2 plus 2, bracket complete, and the whole bracket square. This is the expression by substituting the value of x. Now we will simplify it, which is equal to f of n2 n1 minus 2 divided by n1 into n2 plus 2 as it is value. Here this n1 minus 2 is cancelled with 1 n1 minus 2. So it is minus n1 square n2 plus 2 whole square. This term move in the numerator, divided by 2n2 square into n1 minus 2, since one bracket get cancelled. Further, n1 square n1 plus n2 by 2n2 square into 1 upon, here see in the bracket n2 n2 cancel, this n1 and n1 cancel. Now I will take the LCM. So what will happen? This n2 plus 2 plus n1 minus 2 upon n2 plus 2 whole square. This is first term. Now let me write the second term as, see here n1 minus 2 n1 minus 2 get cancelled and we are left with n1 n2 plus 2 by twice n2 minus n1 n1 plus n2 divided by 2n2 into, here also in the bracket n2 cancel, n1 cancel, and after taking the LCM we get n2 plus 2 plus n1 minus 2 by n2 plus 2 and this whole square, and bracket, main bracket complete. Now let us write the next step. I have kept the earlier step as it is in order to take the reference of that. So the first term is as it is, first term in the first bracket, there is no change. n1 square n2 plus 2 whole square divided by twice n2 n1 minus 2 plus n1 square n1 plus n2 divided by twice n2 square into 1 upon n1 plus n2, this 2 to get cancelled, divided by n2 plus 2 whole square. This is the first term. Now let me write the second term. In the second term, first term is as it is, which is n1 n2 plus 2 upon twice n2 minus, there is a change in second term of second bracket, n1 plus n2 by twice n2 into 1 upon, plus minus 2 get cancelled, so it is n1 plus n2 divided by n2 plus 2 whole square. This is the second term. See here, in the first term of first bracket, this n1 plus n2 cancel with 1 n1 plus n2. Similarly, in the second bracket, n1 plus n2 get cancelled with this n1 plus n2. So we shall write the next step. This is equal to f of n2 n1 minus 2 upon n1 n2 plus 2 into bracket minus n1 square n2 plus 2 whole square by twice n2 n1 minus 2 plus n1 square into n2 plus 2 bracket square divided by twice n2 square into n1 plus n2. This is first bracket, and in the second bracket n1 n2 plus 2 by 2n2 minus n1 into n2 plus 2 divided by 2n2 whole square. This is the second bracket. In the second bracket, n1 into n2 plus 2 by 2n2 minus n1 n2 plus 2 by 2n2 get cancelled. So the second bracket is 0. Now we are left with only one term. Now from the first term, I shall take constant as n1 square n2 plus 2 whole square divided by 2n2. So inside the bracket minus 1 upon n1 minus 2 plus 1 upon n1 plus n2. I have kept this step in order to write this new step for our convenience. I have taken n1 square into n2 plus 2 square divided by 2n2. So we are left with minus 1 by n1 minus 2 plus, these are taken outside. So here 1 n2 is remaining, n2 into n1 plus n2. Let us take, I will take minus sign from the bracket outside, so it is minus n1 square n2 plus 2 whole square divided by twice n2 into f of n2 n1 minus 2 upon n1 n2 plus 2 into 1 upon n1 minus 2 minus n2 into n1 plus n2, which is equal to, all these terms are as it is. After simplifying this bracket, we get n2 n1 plus n2 square minus n1 plus 2 divided by n1 into now let me write the term. After simplifying the bracket by taking LCM, we get n1 n2 plus n2 square minus n1 plus 2 divided by n2 into n1 minus 2 n1 plus n2. Since n1 and n2 are degrees of freedom which are positive, f is the PDF of f distribution which is lies between 0 and 1. So the overall effect of this term is negative due to this minus sign. Hence our f double dash x is less than 0 at x equal to n2 n1 minus 2 divided by n1 into n2 plus 2. Therefore mode equal to n1 into mode is n2 into n2 into n1 minus 2 divided by n1 multiplied by n2 plus 2. Since at this value of x our PDF of f distribution is maximum, hence in this way in this lecture we learn what is mode and how we calculate the mode for f distribution by solving the two equation of the derivative of PDF equal to 0 and second equation is its second derivative is less than 0. I hope student understand the value of obtaining the value of mode. Since the derivation is more lengthy, having so much lengthy equations, but if we take care then we will reach to the result. If a student like this lecture, click on the like button, share with your friends and subscribe to Learn Statistics channel in order to get the notification of upcoming lectures in the upcoming days. In the Learn Statistics platform, many more concepts from the statistics are already discussed. If students want to learn that topics, then click on the I button at the top right corner of the screen, and link of all the playlists are mentioned in the description below. We will meet in the next lecture with the next concept from the statistics. Till then, we will stop here. Thank you.